Hi, I'm Leo and welcome to my YouTube channel Codemy. This is my fourth video on HTML5, and in this video I'm going to talk about the different HTML list type. Now basically we have three different list types. The first one is the unordered list, the second is the ordered list, and the third is the description list. Let's start with the ordered list. Let's start with the unordered list. So I'll create my list tag, should be UL, meaning unordered lists. I will create my list items, which will be LI, and I'll copy this, Ctrl C, and I'll paste. Okay, let's put some items. Let's say fried rice, baked beans, and Indomie. When I save this and view in my browser, you can see the lists. This is an unordered list. Ctrl S. And then when I view in my browser, you would see unordered lists. You could see rice, baked beans, Indomie. Now when you look closely, you'll see there's a button here. Now this is the disk type. Now for the unordered list, we have four different buttons. We have the disk, the square, the circle, and none. So if I want to change this, probably this is the default button of the browser. I'll go to my list tag and I'll put a style there, style attributes, and I'll call this my list style type, and let's change to circle. I'll put the circle, and then I'll save and refresh my browser. You can see it has changed to circles. Now if I want to use the square type, I'll go back again and change this to square, and when I save and refresh, you would see it has changed to square. Now if I don't want anything, I will use none. So I'll come down here and I'll put none, and I'll save and view with my browser, and when you check this, you'll see there is nothing here. Now that's that for the unordered lists. Let's go to the ordered lists. Now the ordered list will be the ordered list does not use this style attributes, it uses the type attribute. So I'm going to remove my style. For the ordered list, this will turn to OL, and when I save and refresh in my browser, you would see there is an order here. This is the ordered list. You could see 1, 2, 3. Now if you don't want to use the numerical order, you could use the Roman numeral or the alphabetical order. Now if I want to do that, I'll put a type attribute, and let's start with the Roman numeral. I will save and refresh my browser. You can see it has changed to the Roman numeral. If I want to use letters, I'll go back and put my A, which is the first letter of the alphabet. I'll save and refresh in my browser. Now you could see it has changed to the alphabets. Now that's that for the ordered list. Let's go to the description list. So the description list is a little bit different. Description list, and I'll wipe this off because the description list is a bit different. Now for the description list, I'm going to put my opening tag for the list is going to be DL, meaning description list. Now I'm going to put my DT, which is description term, which is the name of the item, and I'll put my DD, which is description data, which is the description of your item. So let me copy this and okay, now let me put a space. Okay, let's say fried rice. Wow, a nice meal, a nice meal. Now for this, let's say baked beans, and awesome, you have to try it, you have to try it. And this one, let's say Indomie, and I'll say easy to prepare, easy to prepare. Now when I save and refresh in my browser, now you can see the descriptions: rice, wow, a nice meal, baked beans. Now these things are too close, I want to put a little space between them. I'll go back to my code and I'll put the break tag, which is BR, and I'll put it here. And then I'll save and refresh my browser. Now you can see there's a little space in between. Alright, that's for the HTML list. If you like this video or you want me to continue to post here, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks and have a nice day.